Chris. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good.
Awesome. So what did you come in to get today?
So I need some flat black spray paint. I don't know if you have any flat black here. We're working on some weather strips. Previous painters got white paint on the weather strips. Customer doesn't want to pay for new ones, so we're just going to spray them with flat black and stick them back in. I've done it quite a few times and it actually works pretty well.
Okay, great. So we have a couple options. We have this flat black chalkboard spray paint, and then we have this metallic black, and then we have a gloss black in the back, but this is the white.
Okay, the gloss won't work because that'll probably stick to the door, so it's got to be flat. So, and I don't think because that's metallic and bronze, I don't think that's going to work. It's interesting. This might work because it is flat black and it's chalkboard paint. So, how much is this can right here?
It's $6.98.
Cool. Yeah, I think I'll take that because if anything, we'll spray it on there, turn the weather strips into a chalkboard, for the customer.
Awesome. Sounds good.
Cool.
And
just throw that on my account.
Okay, great.
Cool.
Sounds good. Have a good one.
You too, Maddie. So we're here on the interior right here. We got kind of a weird situation, unusual situation. We're on the inside, but we have an exterior door jamb on the inside, and I'm not sure why there needs to be weather stripping here. This may have been an outside patio at one point in time, but the weather stripping, I'll show you right here. This weather stripping, previous painters got paint all over it, just made a mess of it. We don't want to leave it looking like that, so we're going to paint these weather strips or replace them. So I'm going to give you a simple little tip. It probably costs about $45 to $55 nowadays with the rise of costs of these materials and stuff like that to replace these. The customer's on a really tight budget, doesn't have the money to replace them, but I got a little simple tip. Just spraying them with flat black paint and then reinstalling them. This one I've already sprayed in flat black paint, so it looks brand new. And being flat black, your door that's closing up against this is not going to tack to the weather strip. If you use anything with any type of sheen, or you didn't use like an oil-based spray can, you could get your door tacking to it. But I've done this quite a few times over a lot of years, and it's very effective, works, and literally only takes about not even half of a spray can, but a spray can that's just like about $5. You're talking about a $5 difference between $55 difference, and you just spray them, and then when they'll dry in about 15 minutes, pop them back in, and it looks like brand new. We're gonna be popping them out, spraying them, we're gonna be painting this door jamb, and then popping them back in. So we'll give you a look at what it looks like, when it's all done, but this one has already been done. So I'll show you the spray can that we use. Inexpensive paint. You don't want to put anything expensive on it because it's just a weather strip that has been painted multiple times.